Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling the issue of TCL Smart TV apps not working. Whether your apps are freezing, crashing, or just won't open, I'll walk you through the basic steps to get them running smoothly again. First, try resetting your TV. A simple reboot can clear out temporary glitches affecting the apps. If that doesn't help, check your internet connection. Make sure your TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Next, head to Settings, then Apps, and find the app that gives you a trouble. Try clearing the app cache or data to reset it without losing your account info. If the problem persists, uninstall the app and reinstall it from the App Store. Also, make sure your TV software is updated. Outdated firmware can cause app compatibility issues. Go to Settings, then Systems, then go to Software Update and install any available updates. If none of this works, a factory reset might be necessary, but remember, it will erase all your settings and apps, so back up what you can. And thanks for watching. If this helped you get fix your apps not working on your TCL Smart TV, please like the video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Smart TV tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.